Welcome back, kids. Today we will learn how to set variables in this game. Let's click on variables. Make a variable. First we'll say red bar score. For all sprites, okay. Then we'll make one more variable, blue bar score. Okay, so now we have two variables, red bar and blue bar. Okay, blue bar, I'll put it with blue bar, red bar will place it near the red bar, and blue bar above. Okay, in this case I want to store a value of a ball. If it goes above blue line, then red variable should have a score, and if it goes below red bar, then blue bar should get a score. Okay, so now always when flag clicked, the score of blue bar and red bar should be 0. So first we have to set the score. Okay, set blue bar score to 0. Same way, right click, duplicate, place it here. Set red bar score to 0. Okay, this is the starting position. So you have to place it after when flag clicked, because when you start again, the score of blue bar and red bar should be 0. Now when this forever loop is executed, what should happen? If it touches down bar, it will bounce. If it touches up bar, again it will bounce. If y-axis is greater than 140, then it should again start from 0. Clear? So when this all steps are carried out, okay, at the same time my scores should also be affected. So I have to change. Okay, I have to change what? Blue score by 1 and duplicate again. I have to change red by 1. But when? Okay, so for that we are looking for the position. When the y position is greater than 140, y position greater than 140 means upward direction. So when it goes here, the score of red bar should increase. Correct? So here you have to take 1 and put it here. Okay? And when it goes down, then blue bar should increase. Clear? Okay. Now let's try. Okay. Now let's start. See? Clear? If blue bar misses, then red gets a score, and if red misses, then blue bar gets a score. Clear? Any doubt in this? Okay, let's stop the project. Now when you see, when flag clicked, the player hardly gets time to set. So what I want, that when flag clicked, I want the players to get a time. For that, weight is in control. Wait 1 second. When flag click, go to this position 0 0 and then wait for a second. Same way, we want this wait 1 second when the y position is greater than 140. Okay, that time again I'll pull this, wait, and put it below this one. Same way again we want when y position goes below 140, minus 140. Correct? At that time again I'll take wait. get controls over the keys. Hope this is clear. Any doubt in this? Okay, now we will create a variable for the basketball to measure a speed of a basketball. Okay, why? Because at some condition we want to increase the speed of the movement of a basketball. Let's see how. We'll create a variable. Here we'll write a variable name which is speed, but this speed is not for all sprites. It is only for the basketball. So for this sprite only. Which sprite? Basketball. Okay. So you can see. Correct. Now I want to set the speed. Set. Okay. Correct. Now I want to set the speed. Set. Okay. Normally what we do, we will select here speed, and what we have done in for loop forever, that it should move 10 steps. So what we have to set, the starting speed of a basketball is 10. This we will set in the starting. Okay. Now I don't want to fix the speed to 10. Okay. We have to either increase or decrease. But before doing that, what we have to do is, instead of moving 10 steps, what we have to use is a speed. Just directly put the variable speed. So it is easy for us to handle the increase and the decrease of the speed by setting it at one place. Okay? How? Let's see. So now how to change the speed? When we want the ball to change the speed, when the ball touches either of the bars, correct? So what I want to change. So I'll take change. Change what? Change the speed by 1. When? When the ball touches down or up bar. So we can put it inside this if. Okay? If touching down bar, then it will move in the particular direction, but at the same time it will change the speed by 1. Same thing I want to add when it touches the up bar. So again change and then put it here and select the speed. So now whenever the ball touches any of the bars, it will increase the speed by 1. Clear? Let's see how. See? Start the project. Now your Pong game is ready to play with the 2 players facility. One last thing in this Pong game is to hide a variable. Actually what I want the players to view is blue bar score and red bar score. I don't want them to see the speed of the basketball. For that, what I have to write is hide variable. Okay, hide which variable? The speed variable. Okay, so let's see. Click here. Clear? Stop the project. This way you can hide the variable. Hope it's clear. See you in next video. Bye.